Hello there. So this is how to add music to your CapCut project. So first thing you're going to need to do is go ahead and open CapCut, and I already have a project open here for me and I want to add music to it. So what I'm going to do is either click on the add audio box under the video in the timeline, or if you look at the bottom, you're going to see a bunch of options, and the second option is audio. So click on that. And then you're going to see a bunch of options for audio. But if you want to add music, you're just going to click on sounds, which is the first option. And then inside the sounds, you're going to have a bunch of options. Either you could choose like popular sounds or popular songs, or you can extract your own sounds from your files or from your device. So to get popular songs or popular artists, all you need to do is just type into the search bar the songs that you want. Or if you want to import an audio from the device, all you need to do is just click on the file icon, and then you're going to have these options. So just click on device and then click on select from device. And now you're going to be able to select or import audio from your device. So I'm just going to do a vlog audio, for example. So I just clicked on vlog, and then I'll just do this unstoppable evening. Click on the plus button, and now it's added to my video. So yeah, this is how easy it is. This is how to add music or audio to your CapCut project.